J visa refused, then approved. Canada PhD shares full timeline. Got a yellow slip, then refused, then approved, then processing again. J1 visa status clock, admin hold, 7 days. This student's J1 visa story went viral because the status kept changing, and for a few tense days, it looked like a rejection until it wasn't. If you've ever seen 221G and panicked, this one's for you. What's going on? An international PhD student based in Canada applied for a US J1 visa at the US Consulate in Toronto. They had a legitimate internship offer and existing B1, B2 visa. After receiving the DS 2019 form on July 9, they rushed a DS 160 and called the Toronto visa hotline for an emergency appointment. They got a July 15 interview, but it didn't go how they expected. The officer took my passport and gave me a yellow slip. What happened at the interview? During the interview, the officer asked about the PhD, the US internship, and even verified the students' social media handles from the DS 160. The officer then handed over a 221G yellow slip, a standard signal for administrative processing, and kept both the passport and DS 2019 form. Within hours, the CEAC portal said refused, but by evening, approved. Then it flipped back to administrative processing. Even showed application received, a status that usually comes before an interview. Reddit reactions plus emotional chaos. When I saw refused, I lost it. I thought that was it. It kept bouncing between approved and admin. I didn't know what to believe. Toronto Consulate does this. It's normal. It's just their system updating. By July 22nd, the CEAC finally updated to issued and the student chose premium courier delivery. Passport inbound, crisis over. But what this shows, even if the system says refused, don't panic yet. What you can do. Always keep your social media public and accurate on DS 160. Call for appointments. Don't rely on the portal. 221G isn't always bad. If they keep your passport, it's often a good sign. Drop your J1 or F1 timeline below. What embassy, what status, and how long. And don't forget to subscribe for weekly episodes on real visa chaos, real survival tips.